Hello, my name is Behroudi Sazade. I am the head of Maritime School in the University of Gibraltar. I have to mention the University of Gibraltar is going to provide the placement for the maritime students. One of the placement will be in Gibdock, and the collaboration between the university and Gibdock is a highly valuable collaboration. So we can use the first-hand experience of Gibdock for the students, and it can help them in their future career.
My name is Alex. I study at the University of Gibraltar.
I'm José from Portugal.
Studying Maritime Science Engineering. I'm currently in the dry dock finishing my workshop experience, which is part of my requirements to get my license for Engineer Officer of the Watch.
And currently I'm getting to work on this placement on different areas like welding, pipe work, machining, electrical jobs as well.
And they're all really important in order for us to be successful operators of the ship and to conduct maintenance successfully.
All the people that I meet here and adding with the knowledge that I got from the university, this works pretty much as a bridge. So I'm able to connect the knowledge that I had theoretical to the practical. Getting to work on the ship maintenance, repair and conversion sector is also very important because it's also a big part of the maritime industry.
Like while we're in the dry dock, we get to go on board and we get to see the configurations of different types of vessels.
Additionally, since on ships we're gonna have to do all kinds of jobs, having at least the minimum knowledge that we learn here, the guys being so specialized, is also very important to get the most from them.
But for anyone who wants to study in the University of Gibraltar for engineering, I think it's a fantastic opportunity. We have really good cadetship programs here.
On behalf of University of Gibraltar, thanks Gibdock for the support for the students' placement.